Theory of special creation says that the universe is not a self-contained system, that due to its complexity, due to the fact that it's losing order continually, that it must have had a beginning in the past, at a definite time in the past, and that the system itself, the matter and energy that make up the universe, must have been created by being external to the system, because order never spontaneously arises, in systems of mass and energy. The creationist position says that the universe was created, life was created in it, the major forms, the physical entities that are in the universe were created. There have been changes within this system. Since that creation itself, the universe is running down, but it maintains that the universe doesn't give rise to itself. It maintains that there had to be an agent or being outside the system to create the system, to make order within it. The being or the agent outside this system must be certainly, let's say, not finite, but infinitely above that creation because of the complexity of the universe itself and all that is involved.
Dr. Fletcher, what makes this a scientific view?
I would say that this viewpoint is scientific in that it is based upon a careful consideration, for instance, of the entropy law or the second law of thermodynamics that we study in physics. This law maintains that if you leave any system to itself, it'll proceed in one direction. Sometimes we call the entropy law time's arrow, because it indicates that the universe is going in such a direction that it is running down, that it is losing form and body, that all of the energy in the universe is becoming unavailable. Now, not being lost or destroyed, but becoming unavailable for future processes to occur. If this is taking place continually, and all experiments show this, then in the past, if you work backwards into the past and try to look at this whole universe, it must have been more complicated, must have had more information in it, must have been more ordered, there must have been less entropy, which means more availability of energy for processes to take place. And this would imply then, since no system spontaneously of its own accord goes in this direction, this would imply that there was some being, you see, to produce the order. Because, let me give you an example from Clerk Maxwell's arguments about entropy. Maxwell, one of the most famous physicists of all times. He said if you had a